if your mind is also forcing you entirely in your mind and you want to get rid of this, so being me in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of this. Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Alisha, and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make best thumbnail for your YouTube video. Because as a new content creator, I'm also a new content creator, but when you are totally new content creator, so it's very hard for everyone to make a thumbnail for his YouTube video. And it's also a big scandal that how I can remove the background from the picture and download the picture and HD, how you be able to download the picture in HD high quality. So in this video I'm going to show you each and everything, and then show you that how you can make a clickbait thumbnail, and then show you that how you can make clickbait thumbnail for your YouTube video. Because thumbnail is the most important thing. Thumbnail is just like first impression, and we all know that first impression is the last impression. Ever the first impression as the last impression. So without squandering any of your precious time, let's go towards the video. Here we go. You can see here on my screen, and now you need 3 websites, okay, which are the most important websites. And the one is also a website if you're watching this video on a computer, on your laptop, or on your computer. So what you have to do is just go to Google Chrome, open a new tab, and search there canva.com. And if you are watching this video on a mobile, so what you have to do is you have to download the Canva app. Okay, it's available on App Store and Play Store, and both it's available. So simply what you have to do is open it. After opening, you have to simply sign off with your Google account or Gmail account. You can directly sign up with that. Okay, so after sign off, this sort of dashboard will be open in front of you. As you can see here, YouTube thumbnail, or if you didn't find this, so you can see here the search bar, search there YouTube thumbnail. A lot of templates will become in front of you, a ready-made templates. You can just do a little bit editing. So what you have to do, you can see here the +1 icon at the mid. You just click on the +1 icon, just click on YouTube thumbnail. The blank is come in front of us. The first of all thing, when you click on this blank at the bottom, you can see here a lot of option as pop-up, just like a pop-up, replace, color, layers, comments, comment, and more. So the first of all, what you have to do is you want to click on the color, and we're gonna change its color. Okay, at the bottom left side, the +1 icon, click on it. At the bottom, if you've seen, there are a lot of options like a design, element, camera roll, brand hub, upload, text, and draw, project, and apps. Click on the text one option and add here some text. Okay, like you can see here a lot of templates, ready-made templates. You can use this. Okay, so but we're gonna use our default text, so click on anyone. Okay, and a little bit bigger, that double click on it and remove this what you want, like make a professional. We're gonna just like a thumbnail and drag it here. Okay, now again click on done, again click on +1 icon, go add a head, and a head we're gonna click double on it and professional right here, professional. Okay, I'm gonna just learn you the method that this way you can make your thumbnails. Okay, and a little bit big this, you're gonna big this. Okay, yep, a little bit also. Yep. Now again click on the +1 icon and add the mid one. Now again double tap on it and wait. Okay, remove this right here, make, and then drag that here, big this little bit. Now what you can do with these writing, okay, you can change its color. When you at the bottom, you can see here you can change its fonts, like whatever do you like to make that. Okay, write this. So you can, there are a lot of options like this, make like this. Okay, a lot of options that you have, you can see that. Okay, So you can see here a lot of options, textile heading or whatever. Okay, head, subtitle, sorry, subhead or head. So just take it, body. Okay, body, you're gonna take it body. So but body is very small, and I gotta drag a little bit, make big. Okay, again, small this, and there you can change its color as well. Okay, we're gonna change its color, so to red or white, red to red or black. Oh, so invisible, gonna transparent. Now what we gonna do is it's time to upload a picture. So now it's come to the second one app which we have need. Okay, the second one app which we have need is erase.bg. Erase.bg, that's actually not an app, it is website. Open your Google Chrome and search in the search bar erase.bg.com, and directly this sort of dashboard will be come in front of you, and you can upload your picture here, image. Okay, so then what you have to do, directly just upload the image. It will erase the background from the picture, and then you can download that in full HD. Okay, in full HD. That is very beautiful, I just love this. Then come again to Canva, and you can see here the upload. So when you click on upload, you can see here the purple color line, upload files. Just click on upload files, and any picture from your gallery that will be uploaded here. Now I have already uploaded some pictures, remove its background already. So I'm just click on that, and here we go. You can big that and small that as well, whatever do you like. Okay, and also you can also do the editing, editing, like if you can flip this. Okay, like horizontally or vertically, what do you want? Okay, that is good, that one. And you can crop this as well. Okay, what setup you want, you can do the adjustment as well of it. Okay, of the picture. So we don't do any adjustment of the picture. Now you can change its filters as well, and you can add some effects to add. Okay, but these effects are some the tools are fed, and the effects are what do you say, pre yep. So now we don't do any add any effects. Okay, now let's come to the plus point. You can see here the elements. Click on the elements. When you click on the elements, so a lot of elements will be come in front of you. So you can use any sort of template or element for free. But when you can see here the pro is paid. Okay, now what we're gonna do is click again on it, and sound wave, click on sound wave, just sound wave. Okay, you can see that here a lot of, oh wow, this did a lot. So this one, the second one, is looks a little bit good, and now we're gonna add that here. Oh, it's working, yes, a little bit. So now it is behind it. Okay, now come here, and you can see here the three dots. Click on the three dots, and just bring it to print. Okay, bring it to forward. Click on forward again, and we're gonna just drag that here and make a professional, drag here, professional bigot. Okay, and make here thumbnail, no, also big this one, and there we go. Wow, it looks beautiful, bro. It looks very beautiful. Click on it, click on three option, bring it to forward. Okay, to front, and again, here we go, bro. That is looks very beautiful. Now again, click on thumbnail, drag that here, big this. Okay, a little bit small this, and bring that here. And now again, click on the plus one icon, come here, search here red, blur. Okay, sorry, blur light. What left? Not light. Okay. Should there be a lot of, okay? Pad, some pad. So click on the second one, okay, and a little bit, and just keep that here. Yes. Oh, it looks very beautiful, bro. Looks very beautiful. And welcome your thumbnail as totally prepared. Okay, totally prepared. And whatever do you want, so you can use that. Now, what you have to do is the main thing is download it. How you can download that? So click on. You can see here at the top. Okay, the top, the arrows. The one arrow is the powered side and the one arrow is at the downside. You can download from both. So when you click on the first one, the powered side, so at the powered side, it's doing loading. Click on just download and drag directly, it will be downloaded. And at the second one, what you have to do is click on the second one directly, and it will also give you that options like a drip, download a drip, or pay the set and save. No, don't pay for it. And you can, if this option didn't see you, so this will be seen to you. Okay, seems to you. So what you have to do, just click on download and PNG if you want to download this and whatever. Okay, in people video, you can download this in people videos, PDF standard, PDF print, and you can all download it to GIF. Okay, so what you have to do is just download it in PNG. Click on download. The one thing is premium, so what you have to do is click on the three dots and download uh, a free watermark drip. Just click on it and welcome. Prepare your design. Okay, this is design. Wow, this is beautiful. It is our thumbnail is downloading. Okay, here you go, bro. It's oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Your word system looks very professional, very beautiful. So I hope guys this video will be little bit informative for you, and if this video is informative for you, so make sure that you give the thumb to the video for our appreciation and share your opinion in the comments below as well. And the most important thing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon as well for receiving the further more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next tutorial. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज. Bye.